All right, guys, MMTs, I got that F5 Networks. We all know that FFIV was struggling and struggling. And basically, we bought the 115 put options, and we also bought the 120 put options. And right now, it hit minus 14%. And you're going to trade off of that bottom. That bottom here I go right now. I got it live. It's live. There it is. There it is right here. Look at that, baby. We hit it. It'll bounce up. Take it off of there. Slam it. Come out of it at 115. Slam out of it at 115. 125.95 was the close. Slammed out of it at sell the long side at 115. Yeah, 115. So he's coming up and he's moving that higher. And that's that volatility. So we got to get up to 115. Nope, he ain't making it. Slam out of it. 110 gives you $1.60. Yep, you're out. I can see it. What? We did 20,000 shares. I seen that 20,000 share block earlier. So all of you combined it. So basically, this is the story of FFIV. And now I'm going to come back to FFIV, but this is a big-ass trade, man. And I'm going to go over the options that we had. Oh, yes. Look at that, baby. Here, you still got the 115 out. Just leave it there. 115. It's 112. So that volatility off of the bottom is where we're making a lot more money. Come on, baby. There it is. 115. 113.5. Come on. Well, we're trying to get it up there, the damn thing. It's got to come up here, right here. It's at 115. He's at 111. He's $3 off of that bottom right now. I need to see a 115. I need to see a 115. I'm going to put this on hold for a minute. What we're going to do is take a look at the options trades that we have for tomorrow. And I still want people to be able to sell this off of that bottom. It's not going lower right now. Just put the stop market order. You got your entry at, well, yeah, teletype that entry back. Yeah, it's right here. You're right in 109 area. And right now we're at 111, 112 area. So, my friends and my new market maker candidates is, yes, we're short, and we have put options, and we're short the stock. So we took profits out of the stock, and now we're trading it long right here in this wick. And so, in the after hour, the stop market order is going to be 109. And then that way, we'll make several more trades around it. And I just want you to know that the 125.95 is FFIV, believe it or not, everybody, is a indicator as to what the overall stock market's going to do, just like Priceline is. And when this thing gets slammed, we've traded this thing clear back in the late 90s and year 2000 and whatnot. And but the thing about it is that the earnings that they reported last quarter and the quarter before, that they had hit the price channel. So we're doing good. We got the stop. We bought the put options, and I'm going to go on pause. We bought today the FFIV 120 puts. When FFIV was at 125, we came over here and we bought the 125, and we bought a lot of them too. You can see the volume here, 91 cents. It had a dollar move. These are going to go super higher tomorrow morning. And the 758 contracts, we own 500 of the total volume of the 120 put on FFIV. And this is going to pay huge money. Let me show you another put that we bought. And we bought the 115, and the 115 put was 22 cents. And we bought 300 at 25 cents. And as you can see, FFIV is going all the way down, and we're going to make so much money on this that we can't even see. Yeah, that's the 115 put below the market, and I already showed the 120 put because I know I did, and there it is right there. And believe it or not, because they're $1 increments, we also got some 122s. We bought a shitload of these. They had $1.13, so there's the 122, there is the 120, and also the 115. And FFIV is tanking. If you want to learn how to be a market maker and you want to learn how to buy some of these put options related to earnings season, then I would get here if I were you. This is a fairly thin contract. We've done this more times. I mean, we've been doing this forever. Here we are here. These contracts are going to gap up on that 120. They're going to gap up tomorrow morning, and we're going to see if they can gap between 106.50 and so it would be $1, so it would be $6.50, and the ask would be $7.50, and they could easily go higher tomorrow. But we know what we're doing. Hey, it's done live, and it's done here, and there is the biggest trade right here. We bought them. Our risk was not high. We were buying $10 below yesterday's close was 126. Today's high was 125. We were buying these 115 puts that were $10 below the market, and say, guess what? Hallelujah. And the reason why I say hallelujah, because you can tell in my voice that my MMTs are going to get paid big, and bigger than big, because we're also bought the stock, sold the stock, went short the stock, bought the stock. We're just trading all the way around it. And eBay is going to be the next one up. FFIV, and a big money maker.